Scikit-image saves binary image as completely black image. So, I am trying to get binary image with scikit-image and save it on disk with the following code. When I do io.imShowBinary, I get what I expected. But the imsave returned to me completely black image, as if it turned both true and false values into 0,0,0 in RGB or something. So what is the right way to do it?
This seems to work, but I'm not sure it's the best way to do it. Also, there's an issue open on scikit-image repo, this URL.
Simply casting binary into float also does the trick.
I prefer to use ing_ as _ubyte. Besides, you don't get to see the lossy conversion from a Wint16 to a Win8. Losing 8 bits of resolution. Warning from ing_ as _ a Wint.
Ja, u nas to zajmuje, ja to tam się